previous part, we learned about data mining, concept of data mining, definition of data mining, different techniques of data mining, where we are using the data mining, need of data mining, see customer analysis, targeted marketing, cross-selling, segmenting or grouping customer, market basket analysis, and all. Also learn about the different application of data mining. Now, in this part, we will see advantages of data mining. Why to use this data mining in different applications? So, first advantage is business management. Okay, see, we know that data mining process is to extract the useful information. It is the way for new business opportunities. Okay, so for the different business management, you can use this data mining. By using this, you can collect the old data about the similar business. You can predict the some output. You can make the good product by using the previous data. So these are the different reasons why to use the data mining in business management. Other than that, with the data mining information, the business will be able to approach with different marketing techniques. Okay. Now, next, marketing strategies or retail. Okay. Using data mining techniques, the business can create the data models, and from these models, they could easily identify the customer who will be interested in their product. Okay, by using the data mining techniques, you can create a different model, and based on that model, you can attract the customer. You can sort out the customer. Thus, the product that the business will be bringing into the market can be guaranteed to be profitable because you are reaching to the correct customer, those having an interest in that product. See, when you are checking your mail account, when you are checking your Google, see, you will get the number of advertisement. But see, this advertisement is related to your search. If I am searching the most of the times about the data warehousing, the DBMS, data mining, data analysis, I will get the number of advertised related to data science, machine learning, online courses regarding the data mining, different devices of data warehouse, data mining, then the AI, IoT. So I will get the similar type of advertisement. It is a part of marketing strategy. Next is finance and banking. Here also we are using the data mining. Then for the brand strengthening, we are using the data mining. Brand strengthening means what? Whenever a company is launching a new product, you can use the data mining techniques. And you can, the data mining techniques can be used to develop it better. Okay, with all the information gathered, means by using your collected information, you can compare your product with the competitors, and you can understand the customer requirement, and then you can present your product. No doubt your product, your item will be popular in the market by using these different techniques. So this is the brand strengthening is the advantage of data mining. Then data analysis. Okay, for the purpose of data analysis, see, for the purpose of data mining, various information is gathered on the basis of market. See, even if there is a large amount of data now, to the analysis, okay, you can analyze this data without any problem by using the different techniques of data analysis. Okay, then customer identification. See here, we are collecting the customer's data. We are managing the customer's information in warehouse based on the different classification. Okay, this data mining helps the businesses to recognize their customer effectively so that they are most likely to purchase their products. Okay, so this is about the customer identification. Then criminal identification. Criminal identification means with the information collected from market analysis, government and other institutions can use them to identify criminals. You can use the different databases to identify, to find out the match, to find out the relationship between the crime, the recorded crime, current crime and all the data. For an example, the information can be arranged in a pattern that helps in analyzing the past transactions of a customer. Then revenue growth is there. Using data mining techniques, companies could arrange a record of previously sold products. So you can send the mail, you can do the email marketing or a digital marketing. You can approach to the same customer by using the whole database. So you can increase your revenue growth. So these are the different advantages of data mining. And as we know, if there is some advantages, every coin have a two sides. There is a suppose advantages, then there is a some disadvantages also. So let's see the some limitations of data mining, or you can say the disadvantages of data mining. The cost. First is a limitation. Data mining involves lots of technology in use for data collection process. Every data generated needs the storage space. You need to maintain this huge amount of data. Consider the COVID-19 data. When in the beginning you need only this some space to store the data because the data of 4% or 5%. So at that time it's possible to trace the history of that person and all. Is it possible in January 2022? No. Because at that time there is a number of cases of Omicron and this COVID-19. So how to save this data? So to store the data, to store the contacts and to store the history, you need a cost to store. So if you are using the storage space also now, then also you need to pay for this cloud space. So cost is one matter. Then security. See, we know that identity theft is a big issue when using the data mining. If adequate security is not provided, then it will cause a problem. It could cause vulnerabilities in the security. So you need to provide the high level of security to your data. Then privacy issue also. See, when using the data mining, there are many privacy concerns because you are sharing the some data. Okay, you are storing the some data. But if you are storing this some sensitive data, username, password like data, or when you are sharing the OTP like data, you are storing the OTP like data or passwords, then it will cause a problem. The information that is collected for data mining can be used for purpose other than which it was created. Okay, so this is also the problem. Accuracy. Accuracy means sometimes you will get incorrect result. Why? Because see, many times you will get the correct result also, but sometimes, see, suppose the customer have not filled the correct information about his health. How you will get the correct information? You will not get the accurate information of that person, of this data. So maybe there is some limitations, some is the anomalies in that data. So accuracy is a problem. Then technical skills. There are different mining tools available based on their manners. Each of them might be with a different algorithm and design. So see, to develop this type of algorithm, to develop program, you need to learn first technical skill. You need to hire that type of a person. Therefore, a skilled technician needs to be deployed for the tool selection process. Then, information misuse. Some are not using this information. They are collecting the information for different purposes and they are using it for different purposes. Okay, so information misuse is also the disadvantages of data mining. Then additional information. See, when you are collecting the information, see, if you want on the particular information now, then also you will get the many extra information sometimes. So, tremendous amount of information are collected by the data mining techniques. Okay, and not all the people feel convenient with this amount of information. Some people want only the particular information. So this is also the one limitation of data mining. So this is about the advantages and limitations of data mining. Thank you. And in next video we will see cloud computing. What is it? Cloud computing, different uses, limitations, advantages, applications of cloud computing. Thank you. Thank you very much.